Questions 2 and 3 want us to graph the exponential functions. So I'm going to do this by plugging in some points. And then I'm also going to graph it on the calculator just to confirm that our graph is correct. So I want to plug in -1, 0, and 1. And if you raise 2 to the -1 power, that really just flips it. So it's going to be 1 over 2. If you raise 2 to the 0 power, well, anything raised to the 0 power is 1. And then 2 raised to 1 is going to be 2. So I want to graph this. So it's -1, 1/2, 0, 1, and 1, 2. And the graph's actually going to look like this. And if you go to your y equals and type in 2 to the x, then you can confirm that, yes, this is what it looks like. Let's look at number 3. So I want to plug in the same points. So -1, 0, and 1. So if you take 0.5 and raise it to the -1, you get 2. And that's really because 0.5 is 1/2. So if you raise it to the -1, you're flipping it, and the reciprocal of 1/2 is 2. Just like the reciprocal of 2 is 1/2. And then if you raise it to the 0 power, you get 1. And if you raise it to the first power, you get 1/2. So my first point is here at -1, 2, then at 0, 1, then at 1 and 1/2. So my graph looks like that. And if you go to the calculator, to the y equals, and type in 0.5 raised to the x, and let's graph it on the standard window, then you can see that, yes, that's what my graph looks like.